What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we're here at Colbeck Manor, and we are looking at the Citadel unit. All right, so we have your front patio right here where you can lay out your chairs and walk into your front door. Again, it's another open concept, that living, dining and kitchen. But guys, before I give you a walk around in this unit, if you have not seen the other video from Colbeck Manor, go right ahead and check that out on our channel, as we try to provide as much information as is provided to us. Alright, so here we are in the living room. As you can see, still with the high ceilings, you get your ceiling fan. And this is how you can lay out your living room. Alright, so you can get your sectional if you want a 2-piece couch set. Up to you. If you want a 3-piece, it's up to you. But this is a space that you have to work with. You have your entertainment section on that wall. Over there, as you can see, I know these paintings and these little things that you put in your house gives it life. And these two big windows right here brings in a lot of natural light. And off the living room, right here in this space, as you can see, we have a 4-seater dining table set tucked right here between your living room and your kitchen. And you can decide if you want a round table, a square table, a rectangular table. I'm just saying, it's up to you guys. And again, you can get your bar stools if you please to sit at this section for your breakfast, or you're just having a little drink. And this brings us right into our kitchen. But on this side, you can see that we have our built-in pantry. All right, so space is here for your food, as well as you can store appliances such as your blender or whatever it is that you want to put away right there. All right, and we still have space as we walk. Just look at the floor, guys. These tiles are clean and lovely. So as we get back to the counter, we have a lot of counter space. It's equipped with your double sink, a lot of light coming through your kitchen window right there. You have your upper cabinets, and you also have your lower cabinets. All right, and they have a lot of space, as you can see. All right, you also have your drawers right here. So you have 3 of them, and you have more space under your cupboard there. You have your stove sitting lovely right here, and the kettle looks so nice. Look at it. All right, yes guys, so off the side of the counter, what I love, you have your little tray. You can put your seasoning there and lay them out nice so that they look organized and beautiful. And on this side of the wall, as you can see, you have your fridge. If you want to go double door, you can do that as well, as the space is there for it. And right here, this door leads you to the wash area, as well as you can exit to your backyard. All right, so you can see it's already piped. Electrical is in here for your washer, your dryer. You have your wash tub if you want to use your hands to wash something. And the high ceilings in this house makes it feel so big. All right, and we're going to head into the bedroom, and this is a 2-bed, 1 bath that is smack in the middle of the 2 rooms. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the floor space so that you can see the amount of space that you have to work with. As you can see, your chest of drawer. You have your double bed right there. 2 beautiful windows letting in a lot of natural light. And you have your night table sitting in the corner right there. Turn our attention to or closet. As you can see, you have space to hang your clothing, as well as a little storage space up top there. And guys, just find the little things that make your home your home. So the bathroom right here in the middle, you have a lot of space. You have your tub with your faucets looking all shiny and clean. You have your window to let in your light. Alright, you have your towel rack right there. You have your toilet sitting in the middle right there. Your face basin is looking lovely. We have another medicine cabinet right here. Alright guys, and you also have storage space on this side for whatever it is that you want to put inside there. Electrical, just in case you have to use your blow dryer, or you have your water floss, whatever it is. And this is the second bedroom in this unit. As you can see, you have your bed, your chest of drawer, and a lot of space. Alright, 2 nice windows, high ceilings, wiring for your ceiling fan, and I'm sure you guys can equip these rooms with your AC. When you get in, you have a lot of space on top of the closet there for storage, as the roof is out of your way. Alright, and this is a bigger closet than the one that we would have seen in the other room. Alright, a lot of space. Let me just open the other doors so that you can see there, and oh, chest of drawers blocking, and there. And on this side you have your shelf. You can put linen, you can put your shoes, whatever it is you choose to use that space to do, it is there available to you. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the view in this unit, and I'm just going to head out on the outside so that you can see what's going on in terms of space that you have to work with. Alright guys. Alright, so this is the side of your yard. As you can see, the landscaping is looking lovely. You can put your personal touch to it. You can plant up your fruit trees. As you can see, we have mango on this tree, as well as your planting on that tree, so you know you're getting good soil. Once again, the indicators on the wall shows you the actual size of your backyard and what you have to work with in terms of space. So you just have to make best use of the space given around this side. Alright, so you have a lot of space to both sides of the house, and this is your backyard space. Alright guys, so just look, you can have your barbecues out here, you can entertain out here as well, like you can do that on your front lawn. It is up to you. You can do it at the side of your house, as the entire space is looking lovely. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for taking the time out to take the journey with Chris Ams. So until next time guys, remember to check out our other videos with our other units from Colbeck Manor, and we will definitely keep you posted on the development of these units. So take care guys, until the next one. Alright.